हाय किड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, हैप्पी मॉर्निंग। नमस्ते बच्चों, स्वागत है हिंदी क्लास में आप सभी का। टू ऑल वेलकम बैक टू हिंदी क्लास। सो दिस इज अ फॉर यू is running on revision, right? It's coming on term 2 revision. Okay, so until 8, 9, 10, 11, how many lesson is having? You must to start revision. Okay children, are you doing children? Revising your lesson? You're preparing? Good, very good. आप तैयारी कर रहे हो ना आप सब टर्म 2 की? वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे। तो चलो चलते हैं फिर, लेट्स कम टू द पॉइंट। सो टुडे इज यू आर गोइंग टू revise the lesson 9, the symbol of U, chota U. Okay, the symbol of chota U. Do you know the symbol of chota U? How to add and where to add and how to pronounce with the consonant letter. Do you know? Open your mouth and speak out, children. Do you know or don't know? Okay, if you are know, that is very good. If you don't know, let I again one more time I just remember to you. Okay, I give the instruction of the symbol, how to add and where to add and how to pronounce the letters when you are adding the symbol of U in the letters. Okay, let's come to the point first. Yes children, if you don't know to where to add the symbol of U, you just go through the lesson 9 and read the contents of the page. Okay, the first is अक्षर के नीचे ऊ की मात्रा लगाई जाए तो उस अक्षर का उच्चारण ऊ ध्वनि के साथ होता है. This is a Hindi, so little bit difficult to understand to you. So here is in English. When the symbol of U is added below a letter, below, okay, the letter is pronounced with the sound of U. Got it? For example, here ka plus U. So where is adding the letters? Below of the ka, right? This is a ka is given here, the symbol of U. So you have to add the below of ka. Okay, so ka and U, what is that? Who's going to say? Yes children, very good, superb. Ku. So ku, okay. So this one is a vowel letter U and this one is a symbol of U. Okay. So U की मात्रा वाले शब्द, the symbol of U with letters and words. Okay, for example, here you can see the picture. What picture this one? Rose flowers, right? Rose flower picture we are saying in Hindi gulab. What we are saying? Gulab. So if you spread the letters and all the symbols, how to add each one you can see here. First one is G and the U. Gu, la, a, la, gula, b, gulab. Okay, you don't say gulaba. It's not like that. Gulab. So shortly you have to say. Okay, gulab. Say, speak out. Gulab. Speak out, children. Yes, I'm listening to you all. Speak out. Gulab. Yes. Follow me and say G, U, Gu, La, A, La, B. Gulab. Say Gulab. So now you know the name of rose. What is in Hindi? Gulab. Gulab ka full. The rose flower. Okay. Gulab ka full means the rose flower. Next one. Ra. Which symbol this one? U. Ru. Pa. Ya. A, ya. Okay. Rupaya, rupaya. Okay. Rupaya, rupaya. Okay. Rupaya. So rupaya means rupees, coin. Okay. That is called rupaya. Next one. Here, read and learn these words. पढ़िए और सीखिए. पढ़ रहे हो आप लोग? Are you reading and learning words? Oh wow, super. That is very good. So okay, now next begin the word and meanings. That is very most important. Okay. So are you following me now, children? So open your mouth and speak out as louder. Everyone should be listened. Okay. It's not much loud, as the volume should be medium loud. At least nearby your parents, your elder brother, sister, they can listen to you. You are reading the proper pronunciation as I like. Okay? Good. So first one is, what is that? Which letter? This one only letter I am asking. Okay? Which letter? Pa. Very good. Superb. Next, the symbol of U. Pa and U. Poo. The next one is La. Pool. Okay? Pool means, what is that mean of pool? Pool का क्या meaning होता है? Pool का क्या अर्थ होता है? Breeze. Do you know breeze in English? Yeah, good. So next one is, which letter this one? Who's going to say? Yes, Ka. And the symbol of U. Ku. Next one, La. Kul. Kul means total, the whole family. Kul parivar, kul milakar parivar, total. Okay. Next one is, which letter this one? Sa. And the symbol of U. Su. Na. What is that? Sun. Sun means listened. Okay, listen to me. Are you listening to me? क्या आप सब सुन पा रहे हो? क्या आप सब सुन पा रहे हो मुझे? Are you listening to me? Yes. Good, very good. The next one is Cha, U, Chu, Na. Chun. Chun means choose. Okay, chun means choose. Next one is Sa, U, Su, Kha, Suk. Suk means happy. Okay, Suk means happy. Next one, Da, U, Ka, A, Ka, Na. Dukan. Dukan means shop. Next one is Duniya. Do, da and u, do. This is a the letter. Do not forget the letter pronunciation. It's must. Okay? Duniya. Duniya. Duniya means the world. Okay? Chu, he, ya. Chuhia. Chuhia means red. Okay, the female rat. Okay. Next one, gulab. Gulab means the rose. Already I said. Kutiya. Kutiya means hot house. Next one is kursi. Kursi means chair. Rupaya. Rupaya means money. Okay. Next one, gulal. Gulal means the holy color. Okay, holy color, do you know? The pink, dark pink is a holy color. Okay, light mixing with the dark pink, that is holy color. Gudiya. Gudiya means doll. Dhanus. Dhanus means the bow. This is the dha letter. Okay. Dha and gha, some students are getting confusion, right? Let I clear to the dha and the gha. What are the differences? Okay. Dha, you can see this letter is a open space here. Okay. Here is a space. And you can see here like a turning inside, looking like a eyes. Okay. So while you are putting the sleeping line, you should not touch the eyes. That is called dha. Okay, like a 3, you are writing small eyes put and the turn. Okay, and the put is standing line continuously. And the putting the sleeping line, you should not touch the eyes. Okay, so that is called letter dha. Next one is na, u, pet kata, sa. Dhanush. Dhanush means the bow. Okay. Next one is bull, bull. Bo and u ki matra. Bu, bo, bu, la. Bo, u ki matra. Bu, la. Bull, bull. Okay. Bull means night eagle. Okay. Night eagle. Next one is for. This letter is for, u, la. Full. Vari. Fulvari means garden. Chup cha. Cha u. Chu pa. Chup cha pa. Cha pa. Cha. Chup cha. So here also you are getting confusion some letter ja and cha. Cha. Say speak out. Cha. C-H-A. This is a cha pronunciation. Okay. How to write this cha? First one is this middle of sleeping line, the turning, the C, and continuously you have to put the standing line, and that put in top sleeping line. That is called cha. And while you are writing the ja, there is a no first sleeping line. First you have to put the C like okay. Then after you have to be give the in between the middle sleeping small line. Okay. Next standing line. That is called ja. As the same like gha. Already I said to the dha how to write. Now gha. Gha is the totally is close, not open. While you are writing 3 and a standing line, put the sleeping line have blocked the way. Okay. Up until here to the sleeping line, that is called gha, and there is no eyes also. How I explain the dha? There is eyes and the open mouth, eyes nearby. Do not touch that sleeping line in top. Okay. So chup chap means silently. Okay. Next one mukut. Ma u ki matra mu, ka u ki matra ku, ta. Mukut. Mukut means crown. Okay. Next one. For reading practice, this one is a must, which is you have to be do the some writing activities in home itself. Okay. So one sentence in between that, what is that adjective, you should be miss out from there, and you have to be write the questions like fill-ups, and you have to fill it there. Simi ki bahan, mini a. Simi ki bahan, mini a. Okay, Simi ki bahan, mini a. Say, speak out, follow me and say, Simi ki bahan, mini a. Simi ki bahan, mini a. One more time. Simi, saw and choti ki matra si, ma and badi ki matra mi. Simi. Okay. Ka badi ki matra ki, ba, ha, na. Bahan, mini. Ma and choti ki matra mi, na and choti ki matra ni. Mini, a.